Today I'm going to show you how to connect a phone camera to a computer with iVcam. On your iPhone, you download the iVcam. And then click allow. Make sure you download the iVcam on your computer. On your computer, you download the iVcam. After it's downloaded, click yes. English, okay. I do accept the license, terms and agreement, and install. Once the installation is complete, click finish, and then you can connect your USB cable from your computer to your iPhone. On your iPhone, you go to the iVcam. And then you connect the USB cable. Then the computer would recognize. So this is how you connect the iPhone camera to a computer. Like and subscribe to my channel. Or if you want, you can test it out with the camera app. To switch camera, you do like this. So this is the phone camera. Or if you want, you can flip camera. Like this. Everything works.